Hi, I'm Lucia and I will be your instructor. My academic background is in naval architecture and marine systems engineering at the Polytechnic University of Cartagena. During my industry placement, I stepped into a completely different world, Synergia Racing Group, a leading company in the manufacture of composite plugs, molds, and prototypes. What began as an internship turned into 7 years of hands-on experience in real projects, real production challenges, and real responsibility. I began as an intern and grew into a project manager role, which I've held for the past 3 years. In my day-to-day work, I'm involved throughout the entire life cycle of the project, from budgeting and planning to defining manufacturing procedures, 3D design, machining, and CAM programming. I also manage materials, teams, and resources. As project manager, I work closely with clients from start to finish, making sure that technical decisions, production constraints, and delivery expectations stay aligned. Over the years, I have worked on projects such as the repair of a Spanish minesweeper, considered one of the largest glass fiber repairs, as well as the production of high-quality, high-precision composite components for a ferry and the deck of a catamaran for one of the leading recreational catamaran builders. My relationship with composites has never been only theoretical. I have learned them where they really matter, in design decisions, manufacturing, inspection, repairs, and in all the small details that determine whether a project works well or becomes a problem later. Many people enter this field not as composite specialists from the start. They come from naval engineering, production, design, shipyards, or technical offices, and suddenly they realize that composites are everywhere. But the knowledge is often fragmented, too academic, or hard to connect to real world. That is exactly why I wanted to create this course. I wanted to be the kind of course I would have loved to have at the beginning. Clear, structured, technically strong, and always connected to real applications. One where you understand how composite materials behave, why they behave that way, and what that means when you have to make decisions in a professional environment. My goal is that by the end of the course, you will not just know more about composites, but you will feel confident talking about them, evaluating options, understanding processes, and making technical decisions more clear.